dad said the way I saw the world was a gift, that I was different than everyone else. A great game we'd play was Reconnaissance Expedition. He told me to bring back something from every decade in the 20th century. I found something from every decade.
Already? You rock.
What do you miss about him?
I miss his voice. I miss his voice telling me he loves me.
Me too. After he died, I found this key in my dad's closet. How can I find the lock that it fits? What's it got to do with my dad?
I told you I didn't know anything about your father.
Finding what this key fits
Would be a miracle.
He must have wanted me to find something. What does it open? So many people will enter and leave your life. Dad said, you can't be afraid. Sometimes we have to face our fears. I love you.
I'm right here if you need me.